It's your girl, Denise Joy. Welcome to another episode of Transformation for Your Home. Whether it's DIY or professional help, you can make your home a destination you'll love. Hey, good people. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Denise Joy, designer at the Furaha method of joyful design. By the way, Furaha means joyful in Swahili. I'm thrilled that you're joining me today. When you get a chance, please hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps with the algorithm, and it helps me to reach women all over the globe. In this video, I'm sharing my wonderful journey of giving my home a name. When you give your home a name, I call that the legacy identity. So come with me while I share the journey to naming my home and giving it its legacy identity. I live in a community with a rich but complicated history. When I completed the genealogy of my 1925 bungalow, I was surprised to learn that my community used to have racially restrictive covenants, which means that a person like me, African American, wouldn't have been able to purchase the house I now live in. The restrictive covenants began with the 1886 City Charter. Once I completed the powerful genealogy of my own family history, and my sister and I shot an Ancestry commercial focused on my second great-grandfather, Commodore Perry Bailey's brother, Isaac G. Bailey, who was a member of the House of Representatives in 1885 for Arkansas, I knew I wanted to name my home after my family's surname. Growing up, I actually never thought I'd own a home. Now, not only do I own a home, I design homes for a living. The community I live in is filled with quaint bungalows full of character. I like to say that this home had really good bones. I purchased it because I knew it was exactly the project I wanted to do, a complete remodel on the inside and the exterior. And that's exactly what I did. From the yard to fencing to a new driveway, a new roof, exterior paint, repurposing all of the slate strewn around the yard, I created this absolutely gorgeous front yard. Let me tell you, everything got a facelift. And no, I did not hold back on the interior, not one bit. I literally touched every single room with the Furaha method of joyful design. Isn't she gorgeous? While doing my family research, I discovered that my third and fourth great-grandfather were both formerly enslaved in Maryland. As well, my third great-grandmother was formerly enslaved in Virginia. Living on the East Coast, I decided that I would honor my formerly enslaved family members by naming my home, the home that I own, land that I own, using the family surname. Introducing Bailey's Cottage. If you love this metal, outdoor, customizable yard sign, I dropped the link below. I got you. If you already have a legacy identity for your home, drop it in the comments below. I'd love to know it. And if you don't yet have a name, I dropped the link to my video that gives you great tips on creating your own legacy identity for your home. If you enjoy HGTV style shows, be sure to check out my show, DIY Duo Redesign, here on my channel. It's full of custom on a budget wow factor. The link to the show is in the description box below. Thanks so much for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. Please don't forget, hit the like and the subscribe button. It helps me reach women all over the globe. I'll see you in the next video.